Hey friends, welcome back to another unboxing video from yours truly. This is number 10, I believe. 10? I think it's 10. Um, Doing something different today, a different figure. I know normally I tend to get the DC Holy Trinity. You see Wonder Woman right there right behind me. But I saw this figure online and I inspected it a little bit more, I researched it more, and I just started falling in love with it, and I think it looks amazing. So I had to order it. As you can see, I am wearing my Birds of Prey shirt from based on the movie. And for today's figure happens to be, let's see if you guys recognize it. Kind of a big box. It says False Face Society right there, tagging. If you're familiar with that term, you would know that that is a villainous group working for the good old, one of my favorite villains, Black Mask. On the side, it says Black Canary. So, this is a premium format figure from Sideshow, and it is Black Canary. So, like I said, I've been researching it for a while now, and I think I'm gonna end up getting the Birds of Prey trio. So Black Canary, Huntress, and Batgirl. Batgirl will be a challenge because she recently sold out. So I'm gonna have to try to get my hands on one of them if I can find one online. But after this one, I'm definitely gonna get Huntress next. So without further ado, let's unbox this girl. It's funny, I told myself I would only limit myself to the DC Trinity, but then that way, like, I don't overdo the collection. But then when I saw, you start seeing some figures online, and then when you buy more, when you buy one, you end up buying another one, and then you end up buying another one, and then it just takes off from there. I think that's how my Funko Pop collection started. I told myself I wasn't gonna buy them because that's a whole different collection going on, and then I ended up buying. I think I got the Batman versus Superman Funko ones, and then I was like, you know what? Why not just get Aquaman's set? And then from there, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna get Wonder Woman's next, and then after that, it just took off. So I have about over 100 Funko Pops, but that's for a different video. Alright. So here we have what the inside looks like, and then I'm gonna just take some pieces out and show them to you guys. Not a lot of assembling going on, which makes it easier for me for setting up purposes. Like she's holding a note or something. That's kind of funny. Okay, that's really cool. The leggings are real, like the fishnet leggings. I like the boots. Boots are pretty nice too. And then the jacket. I wish the jacket was real, like made of like leathery jacket material. I like this. This is pretty cool. Her back. I'm done focusing on the muscles, legs. Like, this woman can kick. So that's the body part. Put that aside for now. This will be the gloves. hands. It looks like she's in the process of putting them on. Here we have the head. Oh yes. I've mentioned before that I'm a big fan of how they do hair. Look at that voluminous hair. It's just waving and flowing. That's her. She's got like mesmerizing eyes. She's very pretty too, by the way. And last but not least, we have the base. Yeah. Always the heavier of the set. That's the bottom part. Black Canary. Premium format. $12.50 or $2,500. I always like how they mark the bottom part of it on their premium format figures. It's pretty cool. It's like damage done to this scenario here. It's really nice. It's like some oil spilling or something going on right there. So let's go ahead and assemble this girl up and see how she looks like at the end. So this Polystone Black Canary premium format figure features a mixed media of costume consisting of a sculpted black and blue model jacket that you saw, and a leotard paired with a real fabric fishnet leggings. It adds a good degree of realism, as you can see. Real nice. And then it measures, I believe it was 21.5 inches tall. She pulls on her gloves in preparation for a fight. And the crumbling ones behind her that we saw earlier, tagged with the False Face Society from the villainous group who totally mixed up her hands, who are working for Black Mask. Alright, I cannot seem to get her hands right. There we go. Nice. That looks legit amazing. The hand placements. I'll show you guys in a little bit. And finish off with the head. There we go. Alright. And there, my friends, is the lovely Black Canary. Oh, her glory. Here's how she looks like up close. I'll rotate her around a little bit. I'm actually very proud of this purchase. That's the she's putting on the glove. That's really cool how both hands, once you insert them on the arms, it looks like they are connected, but they're not connected. But once you put them together, they look connected. It's so cool. Awesome leggings. She got like a purplish glow on the bottom. She's about to prepare for a fight and get down. She is not gonna hold back. She's got her very sassy, happy, confident smile. Here we have the back. Like I said, I wish the jacket would have been made of real material. I think it would have been really cool and add some more realism to it, but I am glad with how the figure turned out. I am excited to be getting the other two girls, Huntress, and then of course once I'm fine, Batgirl. So I can have the Birds of Prey set. Alright guys, there you have it. That is it for today's unboxing video. I will see you guys next time. And like I said, the next one that I'm getting is definitely Huntress. So Huntress will be the next of the Birds of Prey trio that I'm getting. And then hopefully I will be able to get my hands on a Batgirl figure. That's it for now. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in. Take care everyone, and bye-bye.